All right, so let's start by getting our ricotta filling. That's our ricotta cheese and 1 egg. We're going to mix this up. We're going to put a little bit of olive oil in our cast iron skillet. We're going to add our onion and garlic. We're going to cook these until they just start to turn a little translucent. Then we are going to add our meat and boil this up and get it cooked until it's totally cooked. Now our meat is all cooked. The pink is all gone. I'm going to add my marinara. We're going to mix this up and let it simmer for 5 minutes, and it'll just thicken up even more. Okay, this is done. Okay, so we have our sauce and our cheese. We're going to let this sit for just a few minutes, let some of this heat out, and then I'm going to get ready and we're going to start assembling our lasagna, and I'll be back in just a few. Right, let's put this together. So my noodles are all cooked. See, I cooked these 8 minutes, so they're pretty bendy. They're not totally done, and they're just in cool water. My pan, it is hot, but that's okay. So, all right, my pan is off. Just like that. Then we have 3 layers. So I am going to kind of divide up this cheese. So I have about the same amount on all 3 layers. And we are going to start layering. And yes, it takes a bit of time to do the layering, and I've seen a lot of people do it where they don't layer it. But if it's not layered, to me, it's not really lasagna. So. Okay, our pan is full, and these are mozzarella pearls. They're really cool. They're a fun snack. But I like to put these on the top. So I am going to cover this. If you don't have a lid, you can just cover it lightly with foil, and then we're going to put that in the oven and cook it for 45 minutes at 350. Then I'm going to uncover it and let it go under the broiler and let it bubble and brown the top. Then we let it sit. Then we get to enjoy it. Well, our lasagna is done. It turned out beautiful. I think it's so pretty, you know, and I do like pretty food. So this is sliced. It's holding together. It smells delicious. Let's try it. Oh my God. That is really delicious. I hope that you enjoy this recipe as much as I do and my family. Thank you for joining us today here on The Happiest Cook. Thank you for subscribing. Hit that subscribe button. And we are going to be doing some more cast iron cooking coming up. So, like I always say, let's get cooking and keep on cooking. Bye.